Welcome to our latest video where we bring you the top 7 best drone for kids. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into the world of aerial photography or an experienced pilot on a budget, we've got you covered with some incredible options that won't break the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of affordable drones together. All the links are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Introducing the Lenovo S12 drone, your next level solution for professional quality videography. This drone equipped with an 8K high-definition Wi-Fi front lens and optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom. This drone provides crystal-clear images with every flight. The servo gimbal design increases stability, while electronic image stabilization ensures your pictures are sharp and clear. With its altitude fixing and optical flow positioning capabilities, this drone guarantees stable flight and precise control. And controlling the drone is a breeze. Simply download the app on your phone and customize your route by drawing the picture you want to fly. With the app, you can easily control the drone's altitude, direction, and even take photos using gesture photography. Simply hit the 1-key return button and it'll come back to you. Thanks to its brushless motor and ultra-long battery life, this drone can fly up to 40 minutes without interruption. And with 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, you don't have to worry about crashing into anything. So why wait? Start capturing stunning aerial footage today with the Lenovo S12 drone. Introducing the new XT8 4K Mini Drone, your perfect companion for capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring the world from up high. The 4K HD dual camera. With this feature, you can shoot large films and capture every detail with ease. The headless pattern helps you identify the direction of the drone, making it easier to navigate. This 4K mini drone folds up just right, making it easy to travel with and more worry-free than ever before. With 4K double shot and double viewing angle, you can capture incredible footage from both above and below. And don't forget about the bottom camera, perfect for those hard-to-reach shots. The XT8 4K Mini Drone also has Air Intelligent Hover. It'll stay put until you're ready to move it. And with gesture photography and video recording, you can easily snap photos and videos without even touching the controls. With 50x zoom shooting, you can focus in on even the tiniest details. And if you're feeling adventurous, try out the 360 degrees stunt show feature for some truly amazing shots. This mini 4K mini drone has a 3.7-volt lithium voltage and 1800 mAh battery capacity, giving you up to 20 minutes of flying time. The new XT8 4K mini drone, with its incredible features and long endurance, is the perfect tool for capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring the world from up high. Get yours today and take your adventures to new heights. Introducing the 5G 8K Professional Dual Camera HD Drone, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. With its intelligent flight capabilities and flagship performance, this drone is designed to provide you with an unparalleled experience. This drone equipped with intelligent obstacle detection technology, the drone can detect obstacles within 1.5 meters and avoid collisions. With 1-key control, taking off and landing has never been easier. The drone's headless mode means you don't have to identify the direction it's facing. And with 8K high-definition switchable dual lenses, you can capture stunning footage like never before. Thanks to real-time high-definition image return via 5G transmission, you can enjoy the beautiful scenery from up to 3,000 meters away. And with a long battery life of up to 30 minutes and a large capacity 1800 mAh battery, you can fly with ease and replace the battery conveniently. The drone's foldable body makes it lightweight and portable, perfect for capturing stunning footage on the go. The GPS version also provides even more stability and control, making it ideal for professional use. With a charging time of just 60 minutes, you'll be back in the air in no time. The 5G 8K Professional Dual Camera HD Drone, your ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Introducing the S91 4K Professional FPV Drone, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. With its advanced features, this drone is perfect for both amateur and professional photographers alike. The S91 offers a range of intuitive controls that allow you to easily maneuver the drone in any direction. Whether you're ascending or descending, moving forward or backward, or flying left or right, the S91 gives you complete control. And thanks to its throwable design, launching the S91 has never been easier. Simply toss it into the air, and it will automatically stabilize itself for flight. The S91 also features a rollable design, allowing you to perform impressive stunts with ease. And with its headless mode feature, you can fly the drone without worrying about its orientation. Need to switch gears quickly? The S91 offers fast and slow gear modes, so you can adjust your speed on the fly. Plus, with its one key return feature, the S91 will automatically fly back to its takeoff location at the touch of a button. And if you're looking for some fast-paced action, the S91's fast rotation feature allows you to perform quick 360-degree spins. And when you're ready to land, simply press the one-key landing button and the drone will automatically descend to the ground. Finally, the S91 makes takeoff a breeze with its one-key takeoff feature. Simply press the button and the drone will automatically lift off the ground and hover in place. So there you have it, the S91 4K Professional FPV drone, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Introducing the RH821RC Mini Drone, the perfect toy for both boys and girls who love flying drones. This incredible little drone is packed with features that make it easy to fly even if you've never flown a drone before. The included remote control has 4 channels, allowing you to fly multiple micro drones at once. And with its one key lift or landing and direction control, you'll be able to get your drone airborne in no time. You'll have full control over the drone's movements: ascend, descend, forward, back, turn left and right, fly to the left, fly to the right, roll 360 degrees, and fly with UFO. You can even choose between 3 different speeds, giving you complete control over how fast you want your drone to go. With just the push of a button, you can turn your drone into an aerobatic machine, performing dazzling 360-degree flips that are sure to impress your friends. That's why this RC Mini Drone is designed with a child-friendly propeller shield to improve safety and durability. The aircraft battery is a 3.7 volts, 300 mAh module lithium battery, which can be recharged in just 80 to 100 minutes. And once it's fully charged, you'll have up to 6 minutes of flight time to enjoy. With a remote control distance of 40 to 50 meters, you'll be able to fly your mini drone far and wide. And with 2 different color options, blue or yellow. So why wait? Get your hands on the RH821RC Mini Drone today and experience the joy of flying your own drone. Are you tired of bulky drones that are hard to carry around? Look no further than the new K3 Pro 4K RC Mini Drone. With its advanced 3-sided obstacle avoidance sensor, this drone can automatically sense objects and stay away from them, preventing unnecessary collisions. The altitude hold mode function provides stable flight, so you can capture stunning aerial footage with ease. And with the Wi-Fi function, you can connect the drone to your phone and take pictures or videos in real time. Choose between 2 camera options, a 1080 pixel or 4K wide-angle camera, for amazing high-definition pictures and videos. The headless mode means you don't need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. And with trajectory flight, you can draw a flight path on your screen, and the drone will conduct an autonomous flight along the designated way. This drone is equipped with 2.4 GHz technology, which has anti-interference capabilities. It also has 4 channels, allowing you to ascend, descend, fly forward and backward, and perform left and right sideward flights, and even rolling 360 degrees. The 6-axis gyro provides stable flying and easy control, while the 3-level flight speed allows you to switch up the fun while flying. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, making it lightweight and durable. With a flying time of 15 minutes and a charging time of just 100 minutes, you can spend more time in the air than waiting for your drone to charge. And within remote control distance of about 80 to 100 meters and Wi-Fi image real-time distance of about 20 to 30 meters, you can explore further and capture even more stunning footage. Get ready to take your aerial photography skills to new heights with the new K3 Pro 4K RC Mini Drone. Are you looking for a powerful and intelligent drone that can capture high-quality footage from any angle? Introducing the new KY202 Professional 4K HD Camera Drone. With its advanced obstacle avoidance and double photography capabilities, this drone will keep you capturing stunning shots without worrying about crashes or collisions. With Gesture Smart Sensing technology, you can easily control your drone with simple hand movements. The KY202 also features perceptual obstacle avoidance, which allows it to detect and avoid obstacles even while in flight. And for those looking for a little friendly competition, this drone has a battle mode that lets you engage in thrilling air-to-air combat. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the drone's high-definition dual-camera system. Thanks to its 6-axis gyroscope and intelligent hovering technology, this drone is incredibly stable and easy to control. And with its wide-angle shooting capabilities, you'll be able to take in sweeping vistas and gorgeous landscapes like never before. Connect your smartphone to the drone via Wi-Fi to enjoy mobile HD image transmission and easy, one-button takeoff and landing. Choose from multiple speed settings for a customized flight experience. And with a 3.7-volt battery that provides up to 15 minutes of endurance, you'll have plenty of time to capture all the footage you need. Upgrade your aerial photography game with the new KY202 Professional 4K HD camera drone, the perfect tool for capturing stunning images and video from above. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.